All right, guys, it's time for our new trick words for this week. Hope you're ready to get up and get moving and do some skywriting with me. So we're going to take a look at last week's trick words. We're going to introduce this week's trick words, and then we're going to stand up and practice this week's words with some nice big skywriting. All right, so last week we had some days of the week as our trick words. So we're going to say them and we're going to spell them just to set them in our brains, and then we'll move on to our new ones. So one of our trick words from last week was Wednesday. Let's spell it together. Capital WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Our next one, another day of the week, Thursday. Let's spell it together. Don't forget that capital letter. Capital THURSDAY, Thursday. And then our last one. We have our word Saturday. Let's spell it together. Capital SATURDAY, Saturday. Alrighty, so we have some new words for this week. Our first one is this word, BOUGHT. Does anybody know what that word is? Look at it carefully. Yeah, this word is bought. Bought. What do you think makes the word bought a trick word? What makes the word bought a trick word? Yeah, I see this GH, but I don't hear it. There is no GH sound in the word bought. I see an OU, which I know says ow, like in trout, but I hear an aw sound in here. But ought. So the OU is definitely not making the sound it's supposed to, and the GH is not making any sound at all. That's because OUGH does actually say aw when we see it in a word. So that is what makes the word bought a trick word. All right, this one looks very similar to our last word, as you can see, but there is one little letter that makes it different. What word do we have here? Excellent. Brought. Brought. Bought does not have the R. Brought does have the R. So what makes this word trick? Since these words are so similar, it is the same exact thing. It is that OUGH, making that aw sound, right? That is what makes this word trick. We would not be able to sound this word out. All right, and then our last one, PIECE. What word do we have here? Excellent. Piece. Right? This is piece as in a part, a piece of a pie, a piece of a cookie, not peace as in what you would say to someone, peace, love, and happiness. That's spelt a different way. This is piece as in part. So what makes this word piece a trick word? Yep, that C making the S sound, which it sometimes does. Yep, that silent E at the end. There's no reason for it, right? There's nothing here making a long vowel sounds. There's no vowel consonant E happening here. And our IE, yes, that IE, we don't hear that I at all. We hear actually the second letter, which is not typical. All right, so we have our words bought, brought, and peace. Let's get ready to skywrite. Stand up in your spot. Get your skywriting arms straight and strong and ready, and let's skywrite. Our first word, say, spell, say, echo, bought. Skywriting arms straight and strong. Let's do it. B O U G H T, bought. Excellent. All right, let's go back to our next, go forward, I should say. Skywriting arms straight and strong. Say, spell, say, echo, brought. Skywrite it. B R O U G H T, brought. Excellent. All right, and our third one, skywriting arms straight and strong once again. Say, spell, say, echo, peace. Skywrite it. P-I-E-C-E. Peace. Excellent. All right, so we're going to go back to our word bought. I want for you to take your fingertip and on your screen of your device, if possible. I know sometimes with touch screens, it's a little bit difficult. So if it is a touch screen, you can just kind of hover over it. But sometimes even with a touch screen, it will work. I want for you to trace over the word as we spell it. All right, here we go. What's our word? Bought. Trace it with me. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Excellent. Right, next word. What's our word? Brought. Trace it. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. And our last one. What's our word? Peace. Trace it with me. P-I-E-C-E. Peace. Excellent. All right. So whatever way you can find to practice these trick words, right? We can't remember them if we don't practice them. I would love for you, whatever way you want, mention every week all the different ways: sidewalk chalk, shaving cream, pipe cleaners, Play-Doh, anything that you can find and have permission to use to practice your words, go for it. All right, guys, that's it for trick words today.